road. I got my blue jeans on. I'm on the hood, should be looking. Get so long. Down by the run.
Test drive time. 2012 Cadillac CTS-V Supercharged. This bad boy is gonna be fast. But of course, we'll take it down the road, see how it runs and drives. This was a personal ride here at Maple Motors. So you can see it's got the cam, nice pretty wheels, oversized brakes. Listen to it. Just a great overall, super clean ride. There's 100 detailed pictures, financing and shipping available, maplemotors.com. Be sure to hit subscribe. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. All right, getting ready to take off. Place your bets. Do you think the horn works? Of course. We still got to place bets. Doesn't matter. Let's see. Got the key in here. Hit unlock. And she starts up. Good deal. Looking at our gauges. Engine temperature's working. Got gas. It's showing 125,000 miles if I can get back to it. And of course the horn works. You already heard it. Radio. Jamming. Got the Bose surround sound system. This is a nice car, guys. Super nice on the inside. The sunroof here. Just easy. But what we'll do is we'll take off down the road here. I'm just gonna see how it runs and drives. We're gonna check the paint for chips, and that should be it. This is a personal ride here at Maple Motors, so it's a cold AC, just ready to drive. Let's hit the road, see how it does. Ready to drive. Okay. Me personally, I love this car. If I didn't have my Camaro, that new modern one that I got, I would definitely buy this and have this in the driveway, but I'm out of parking spots, so today it comes up for sale. This is gonna be an awesome test drive, I can tell you that. I've ridden this one many, many times. That's your reverse camera, by the way. Yeah, because this is my father's car. Here we go. Making sure the hood was all the way down. It is. Straight as an arrow going down the road. Popping on over. Real tight steering. Speedo's working. Getting into the throttle. She fast. Very responsive. And it is so fast, yes, it will get you in trouble, so be careful. We don't need gas today. You can see, rides like a Cadillac, nice and smooth going down the road. What we'll do next, we'll get some outside shots. I definitely will light up the undercarriage, even though it's a newer model car. And if you got any other questions at the end, just holler at us. And as for Jim Jr., this is his personal ride. Guys, I will be right back. time to rip it out. Heading on out. Heading on back to the lot, that is. And then we're gonna pick out the flaws, chips, scratches, rust, dents. So far, everything's checking out well. Time to roll. As you can see, it runs, it drives good, interior and everything's pretty nice. When we get back to the lot, we're gonna look at the paint, we're gonna check everything out so you know the rest cosmetically. We'll also look over the interior, pop the trunk, pop the hood, listen to that engine. But we had a little fun, got some outside shots. Nice cold AC still kicking in here. It's about 100 outside, so it's definitely hot. Now, if you have any questions about shipping or financing, we have that available. That's at maplemotors.com. And of course, any other questions on this car after the video, just give us a call and we'll go over it and make sure you know what's up. Checking those brakes, nice and smooth. Back in the throttle here. Good smooth power. Come on down to about, what, 30 mile an hour. Give her a good punch here. Plenty of pep. You heard her chirp that next gear. She's just fast. Bump in the road right here. And the suspension's nice and smooth. All right, guys. Made it back around. We're gonna be at this light a second. Don't forget, 100 detailed pictures and picking out the flaws is coming up right now. I'm here to pick out the flaws. We're going to start in the back here. Anything I see, I point out. Do have a light little chip in the back. And it looks like a little bit of spider webbing on top of that bumper there. You kind of see them right there, little lines. Trunk, yep, nice and clean. Little chips by that tail light. But down the side, got some chip guard on the edge of that door. You do have some bugs that are on that front bumper. Some marks that could be buffed out. A lot of little chips in the road there. Light scratches on the headlight. Scratch on this one too. Chip on the side. Chip here. Top of that fender too. Chip on the door. That right there is some protective film on the inside where the handle goes, and it's cracked. That'll come off though. It's in all of them. Honestly, you pull it off, it should be perfect underneath. The protective film is what it's meant for. To protect it from scratching it all up. Windows look clean, nice tint on the front windshield. Ooh, there's a chip right there in the middle though. Scratch on that mirror. A couple little chips there on the paint. Down this side, dent here on that fender. It is there. Paint protection film on the edge of the doors. Light little specks here at the very bottom. Chips on that front edge there. Again, paint protection film here inside the handles. It is cracked and older where it needs to be redone. Which it's probably been on there since new, so. And this car honestly spent majority of its life after my father bought it. I don't know how long he's had it. I'd say 4 or 5 years, maybe more. But in the warehouse. So he had a bunch of different cars he'd trade out. Every once in a while he'd pull this one out and drive it for a week and then put it back up. And that's what he does to this day. The only reason he's selling it, he's got other ones that he's just picked up and there's not enough room. So it's time now, or if he's wanting to get a new car, he has to sell cars. Well, that's a good problem to have, ain't it? Great rims. Tires, good shape. They look new. I think they're new tires. Yeah, look, still got nipples on them. Good tires. The grill's not looking too bad up under the hood. It's super clean. I mean, yeah. Loving it. Interior. Let's open a couple doors here. Tell you what, I know it's going to be dark in there, so we're going to open all the doors so you can see because we're in the showroom right now. Alright, so yeah, your door panels, a lot of suede, a lot of custom fabric. It's just nice. It's Cadillac all the way. Super clean in here. All the seals are good. Door panels with the Bose speakers. Seats look great. Door shut easy. Same with this side, just kind of checking everything out. Little scratches here in the door jamb. Seat, it's not ripped up. Looking decent. Headliner in this one, also nice and clean. The hood does have some chips on it. So you've got a few little chip spots on the hood there. See them on this side too. Light little white specks from where the paint is chipped. You can get touch-up paint for this still. You got to order it. Don't forget, 100 detailed pictures, financing and shipping is available on all of our inventory. Just go to maplemotors.com. Check this out, and we're going to put a lot of stuff on this week, so only on Mondays is the day that we update. I do appreciate it. I'll see you later.